10,000 baby boomers will be celebrating their 65th birthday each day for the next 18 years, approximately 75 million in total. In the next 5 years alone, approximately 2 million of these boomers will roll over their contribution plans into IRAs. How can an advisor provide financial advice to this group of prospective clients and help them with their retirement concerns? Hi, I'm Terry Pender, a CPA and Certified Financial Certificate. My talk will help advisors understand Social Security and Medicare benefits. Remember, Social Security benefits are important to retirees and in many cases a significant portion of the retirement funding. Additionally, most of these retirees will enter the Medicare program, another program that's not fully understood. Advisors need to provide their clients and prospective clients with detailed strategies of when and how to receive their benefits. Knowledge in these important areas will give the advisor an extra edge to engage prospective clients and keep their existing clients. My one-hour presentation is designed specifically for the financial advisor. I am looking forward to working with you to bring this very important information to your key advisors.